In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Barclays Bank online banking account. If you've ever found yourself unsure of how to access your account securely, you're in the right place. Logging into your online banking account is straightforward once you know the steps, and I'm here to guide you through them with clarity and ease. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Barclays website. You can do this by typing in https www.barclays.co.uk into the address bar and pressing enter. It's important to always type the web address yourself rather than clicking on links you might receive through emails or texts, as these could potentially be fraudulent. Now, if you happen to be in Jersey, Guernsey, or the Isle of Man, you'll want to go to https://m.barclays.com instead. This ensures that you're accessing the correct regional site for your banking needs. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed to the login page. Now, you'll be presented with a few options for entering your login information. Depending on how you usually log in, you can choose one of these three methods by using your membership number, card number, or your sort code. If you decide to log in with your membership number, have your last name and the 12-digit membership number ready. For the card number option, you'll similarly need your last name and the 16-digit card number. And if you're using the sort code method, be prepared to provide your last name, your sort code, and account number. Consider what's most convenient for you among these options, as each ensures secure access to your account. If you're using the PinSentry device, make sure you have it nearby as well. Insert your Barclays card into the device and enter your PIN when prompted. Once you've done this, the device will generate a unique code. Enter this code into the website when prompted. This added layer of security helps keep your account safe, so always have your PinSentry handy for a seamless login experience. And there you have it. Whether you're using your membership number, card number, or sort code, along with the extra protection offered by PinSentry, logging into your Barclays Bank online banking account is a simple process that, when done correctly, ensures your information remains secure. Keep this guide handy for future reference and feel confident every time you access your online banking account. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your banking needs.